Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your audio experience, the Acoustic Wedge foam panels. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these Acoustic Wedge foam panels? This set includes 52 black and blue panels, each measuring 1 inch thick and 12 inches by 12 inches in size. These panels are designed for sound absorption, making them a fantastic addition to various environments where sound quality is a priority. Let's talk about the standout features of these panels. First and foremost, they are excellent at absorbing mid to high frequencies, which helps to reduce echoes and overall noise levels. This is essential for anyone looking to improve sound clarity in their recording or viewing spaces. The panels are made from high-quality foam that is carefully compressed for shipping. Once you open the packaging, they rapidly regain their original shape, so you can start your soundproofing project without delay. One of the best aspects of these foam panels is their ease of installation. They come with double-sided adhesive tape, allowing you to effortlessly stick them onto walls or ceilings without the need for any additional tools. This feature makes them incredibly user-friendly, even for those who might not consider themselves DIY experts. You can quickly transform your space and start enjoying enhanced sound quality in no time. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Acoustic Wedge foam panels are ideal for a variety of users, including musicians, podcasters, and content creators who need to record high-quality audio in a controlled environment. They are also great for home cinema enthusiasts looking to create an immersive viewing experience by minimizing unwanted noise. Additionally, if you run a conference room or office where clear communication is vital, these panels can significantly improve sound quality during presentations and meetings. When it comes to practical use cases, the possibilities are extensive. If you're a musician recording your latest tracks, these panels can help you achieve a professional sound by eliminating echoes that can muddy your recordings. For podcasters, the panels will ensure that your voice comes through crystal clear, enhancing the listening experience for your audience. Home theater setups will benefit from these panels as they can help with sound distribution, making movie nights more enjoyable. Even in a busy office setting, adding these panels can create a more focused atmosphere, allowing for better collaboration and communication. Overall, the Acoustic Wedge foam panels are an impressive solution for sound absorption that caters to a wide range of needs. Their professional-grade foam, easy installation, and versatile applications make them a great investment for anyone serious about improving their audio environment. Whether you're looking to record, watch, or present, these panels are designed to help you achieve the best sound possible. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.